about stuff in the water is their food, and they're loving this. So whenever I dump that bucket in with water full in, they're like, ah! But if it was Scooter, he would be like, ooh, cool, let me go under it. The first one that figured out that the stuff's cool that he's in is this one. And then that one started figuring it out. That one just learned that water is fun. I'm going to add another of these real quick. They also seem to like it when it gets deeper and deeper.
We are driving Mr. Caden to school and then gonna go home and take care of the baby. I have taken on a new daycare job here.
And
we'll see how that works with all the farming stuff.
And
what?
Driving back from school.
Yes, I have to pick you up from school too at 3:30. I see a bubble. Oh, whiskey. No. Small Kosh. I'm gonna get you some toys in there. Here's the baby's first day outside. What?
I said, okay, so I'll be alive. Maybe it's not a half bucket.
You got a full bucket?
Yeah.
They have their first job, mosquito control. This is some rainwater that has mosquito larvae in it. They seem to enjoy it.
That one's cold.
Well, it's not cold.
At least for that. I love the fact that they're learning how to swim, but they don't know how to swim yet. You know? Like they're learning how, but then again, they can't swim in this.
Right, they can't truly.
So they are hitting their feet. So it looks like they're walking, but they're not. They're trying to swim.
They would like to. Yeah, I would like to be swimming in deeper waters, but not quite yet. Look at that one. So let me stick my head all the way under.
Get all the good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Get all the good larvae under that water.
What do you think about the baby, Shadow? Let's see if we can't get this pup to settle down. It is a Blue Heeler household here. These are my son's dogs. There is Kessler, Whiskey, and Smoke. Hey, boy. You're not interested in that. I know you want to come out, but you're just a little wild. Grandma's not coming out yet. Yeah. This is much better than being locked up in the kennel at home, isn't it, boys? Yeah. When do you think of having them? I know you would like Smoke out too, but not just yet.
That way the geese can get ants.
Oh.
I'm trying to get the ants out.
Be careful.
So I'm trying to like dig the tree out.
Shall we bring them in for the night again?
So far, I ripped these off.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, this one's fancy. I need to get a duck. I need to get a duck. This is my go-to whenever I want them to actually peck.
What do you think? I will peck at them? Nope, he says, let me down. Let me down. Hi, Shadow. What are you doing, girl?
Sally, these can get ants.
Oh,
I'm trying to get the ants out.
be careful.
So I'm trying to like dig the tree out.
Shall we bring them in for the night again?
So far, I ripped, Mom. So far I ripped these off.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, this one's ants. I need to get a duck. I need to get a duck. This is my go-to whenever I want them to actually peck.
What do you think? I will peck at them? Nope, he says, let me down. Let me down. Hi, Shadow. What are you doing, girl? How you doing, Daffodil?
So I found a worm and a few beetles, but the beetles got away.
Yeah. What you got there? Now there's a girl that is not afraid of tearing apart a worm. I think you're going to have to hold it up to him. They're not very interested. You have to hold it up like...
You do it.
Hold on. Oh, he's got it. He says, whoa, what is that?
Not for the rat.
Daffodil likes it. The geese, not so much. What do you got here, Shadow? What do you want me to do with this? What should I do with this?
To throw it.
Nice catch.
I'm gonna go look for more beetles.
Oh, you missed it, Shadow. Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand. No, put it in my hand. Mm-mm. Hand. Put it in my hand. Shadow. Hand. All right, then I'm not going to play. No, put it in my hand. Give it to me. No, try again. Try again. Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand. Put it in my hand. No, you put it in my hand. Put it in my hand. That's not going to count. You know what I want. How long is it going to take? Get the ball and put it in my hand. What?
Where's that little... Ah, here it is. I'm going to put all that I find right in here.
Put it in my hand.
I got a beetle.
Oh. Hold on just a second. Put it in my hand, Shadow.
Keep an eye on it. I'm hunting.
Hey. Come here, put the ball in my hand and I'll throw it for you. Put it in my hand. There, no, there you go. Good girl. Good girl. In my hand. You gotta put it in my hand. Good girl. Nice catch. It took me 3 days to train her to do that one. I think that was the longest trick. That and rolling over. Nice. Your mom is out hunting. She's going to find you worms and bugs. I sometimes wonder what I was thinking getting these little geese. I've said as a child I had a goose. His name was Papa Goose, and he was not very friendly. He hated me. Nice catch, Shadow. Every time I went out to feed him, or him and all the chickens, I had him biting me and pinching my legs. It was not a good experience as a child. So I swore I would never, ever get geese. And what did I do? I have 2 little goslings sitting here. Why did I do it? Well, I guess you live and you learn. They are pretty cute as babies. We'll see. Either they're going to be Christmas dinner if they get mean, or maybe they'll guard my orchard flock whenever I get an orchard.
So
Time will tell.
Food.
They're like, not interested. Too many other things to find around here. Should we get these guys into bed?
I'm still finding them too.
I know that, but it is getting late, and Alden and Caden will be here at like 6:30, or a little before 6:30 in the morning.
Couple more minutes.
All right, well, I'm going to head in. You'll have to bring them in. Okay? Their pen is all cleaned out there.
I'll help there if you bring that in.
Yeah, well, help me load them up. They're having fun out here right now. They're not acting like they're chilled yet, but that sun's going to go down and they will get chilled, so we got to get them in the house. All right, little guys. One more toss, Shadow, and we're going in. Ready? Long or short?